Hello UPSC aspirants, I just consider here in this video common directives. First, common directive is command. When you write a question and after go through answer, you can write introduction the topic. After then main body, put down the argument and the effect, text and end with conclusion. If topic is on to critically comment, then you can write positive argument first and followed by negative arguments. It's your comment. Common directive has been completed here. Next topic is examine. 1 second. Second is examine. Question may be appear like this. Examine the linkages between the 19th century Indian Renaissance and the emergence of national identity. You can begin with a brief discussion. On the various issues. After then, you can go through details. You can provide here details and conclude in the same paragraph if possible. It's examine statement complete here. Just 2 seconds about third statement, that is common directive. Third common directive is critically examine. Here you can write similar to above but write the strength and weakness in separate paragraph. Similar comment and in separate paragraph. Write strength and weakness. After then, you can conclude this topic consequences. Should be in a separate paragraph and conclude without taking sides. There's no sides like positive and negative. You can conclude directly without write this. After I talking about fourth common directive, just 2 seconds for remove it. Oh, I just remove it. I also fourth common directive is discuss. This type question you can write after introduction. Go into the positive aspects followed by consequences. Positive and negative aspects, after then consequences. In addition, you can write solution, suggestions, and example, and conclude with a holistic view of the topic. Okay, it's complete here. I just talking about fourth common directive. Fifth common directive is discuss critically. Fifth is discuss critically. You can write in this same the above like discuss. Next common directive is sixth topic, that is evaluate. You can write introduce the statement, and then break into paragraph. positive and negative aspects, and conclude with remark on why you think it is worthy or unworthy. That completes 6 common directives. Again, talking about 7th. 7th is critically evaluate. Just 2 seconds. Common directives for mains. 7th पे आप देते हम. Just 7th is critically evaluate. Is it same the above? You can write same like evaluate, but you can lean towards either positive or the negative, depending on topic. 7th common directive is complete. I just again talking about common directive is at 2 seconds. Number 8 common directive is analyze. You can write here after introduction, write intro and move to examine each broken down ideas one by one. After then you can conclude by addressing the central idea of the topic. It's complete here. Ninth common directive is explain. Introduction, main body, conclusion, for main should work. Intro, main body, and conclusion. Again, talking about 10th. 10th directive, common directive is elucidate. Same like above. Introduction, main body, conclusion should work. And 11th also substantiate. Same you can write this. And 12th also write a note. Same like above. Introduction, main body, conclusion, and it is important section has been completed here. Thank you. If you get this video is relevant, then you can subscribe.